Good afternoon. My name is Vivian, and I'm a student of Mrs. Ogechi Madukoma. So I've been in her class for a while now, and today I decided to try my own soup, semi-hot processed soup. I decided to try the semi-hot processed soup. So she has been teaching us a lot of processes, both cold process, hot process, and semi-hot process. But I decided to try out the semi-hot process, and this is what I got. Wow, I'm so happy. Look at my soap, looking so so lovely, so beautiful. I am so happy. Thank you, Mrs. Oge. I am really grateful. You are a very good teacher. Thank you very much. You are indeed a good teacher. Look at my soap. I already stamped them, and this is the mold I use. Actually, this is the mold. I got this pink from 1 liter. I got this pink from 1 liter, and this one too from 1 liter. This blue for 1 liter, but it's still remaining. So it's still remaining like one of these molds. I will just melt it and pour it on this mold. I will melt it and pour it on this mold so it will be complete. But this is complete 1 liter of PKO, and look at it. It's very strong. Like, I molded this soap like 3 hours after production. After producing it, I unmolded it 3 hours. Look at it. This one, I made this one yesterday, and this one I made it today. I made this soap today. Look at it. It's so strong already. It's very, very strong. Seriously, I'm very happy. Thank you very, very much. You're a very good teacher, Mrs. Oge Madukoma. You're a very good teacher.
Hi everyone, my name is Amarachi. I made this soap this morning. I actually used the cold process method. So I used 500 ml of palm kernel oil, ash. I used 100 gram of calcium carbonate, and also 50 gram of silicate. So this soap is very, very strong. I'm so happy. The soap is so strong. I'm telling you the honest truth. I'm so happy. All thanks to Glomajos. All thanks to you. You're the one that taught me how to make this unique soap. I'm really so happy. God bless you so richly. And I'm going ahead to make other practicals too. Thank you so much.